are now in day number 6, and in this video I'm testing MACD plus RSI for our pocket option auto trader, and this one I have big hopes for. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose out that video just like this one. Also, if you would like to have this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video, both for Google Play Store, so you can install with one click to your Android, or with Chrome, so you can install to your desktop. Now, let's see how we do. So, as always, we are running on 5 seconds. We have chosen strategy number 13, MACD plus RSI, like I mentioned. We take trades $100, we take opposite if you're losing, and our profit target is 500 as always. The strategy yesterday got 100% win rate, hard to beat that, but let's see if this one can take 100% and faster. I have big hopes for this one because this is a strategy that is based on RSI, and we know RSI have been working very good for us. So now depends if the MACD can be a good combination. Already we can see we are not getting 100%. We got a loss from the start. Let's see here now. At least we have 1-1 now, 50% win rate. But here's the thing, like I have mentioned before, we made a video where we got just 30-something% win rate, and we still made like $600 profit. So everything is about a little about money management, so you are not blowing your account when you're using martingale. But now let's see. Hopefully this can be a good one, so we don't need to use martingale that much. Also, if you're using this binary option robot, or you have interest about using it, or you're trading manually, whatever you're doing, make a comment. I am very interested to hear about your story, what you're doing. Also, make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously just by doing so also. Now let's see. By the way, I did not mention this binary option robot is completely for free. And for the Android version, you can even test it out on demo account before you need to deposit. I give a few trades you can do there, so you can use it and you can test it before you deposit. Now let's see, he's now looking for a new trade. So as we know, we need quite a shock up or down to get a trade with this strategy, especially as it's using both MACD and RSI. The good thing I thought would be with MACD is that RSI you get the direction, and the MACD he cross typically a little after, so you get a little the trend. So that's why I thought this combination would be good, but as we could see, the first trade started with a loss. But I have a feeling that this one should be able to come around at least 75%. 75% for me, win rate, it's amazing. Then you are basically printing money if you achieve something like that. But let's see now. Like I said, now we need just to wait for the trade occurred, so we can start to get an idea about what we need. And from what we know, we need around 6 trades to get to our profit target. 6 trades is not normally enough to get a completely correct win rate. You basically need hundreds of trades. Basically it should have thousands before you get a completely correct win rate. But this is just for so you have an idea how it works and things like this. So you can see now already we are down to 25%, so it's quite terrible till now, this strategy. Quite disappointed. I had big hope for MACD plus RSI. Still, we are just halfway, so that means we will need a double of trade we have done already. So we can still get this one maybe up to like 60-65%. Because we can't judge it right now, but already we know that this strategy will not be among the ones that are in our top in our playlist. Also in the end of this video there will be a suggest video to the left. make sure you see that one. It will be from the same series. Also, you can just open the playlist and you will find all the videos that I made for this series where we are testing every single strategy. So there will be 5 other strategies you can check. As you can see, I jump over a few because some of them takes too long time. They are good strategies, but they take too long time to get a trade and the videos will be too long. So now we are up in 50% win rate at least. It's getting better. You can see I have 2 winners in a row. If he can continue this, we can still get a good win rate for this strategy. So like I said, you see we jump it all the way down to 13 here now. I jump a few strategies like I said. Maybe I make a video for them later, but I know that I get tired about talking because I know we need quite a lot of trades, and when it start to be like 20 minutes in between each trade because they have a so specific strategy that it's not I don't want to make a speed up video for this type of series. So the ones that are too crazy, I need just to skip them. I'm sorry for that, but these strategies you need just to test yourself. But I will test most of the strategies that are on the list that I can do a video within a reasonable time. So now let's see. We are now at 50%. Don't looks like we're going to get a good winner here, and we probably will need 2 more trades to get this one in, maybe 3. Let's see, will be very close. So maybe we can reach like 57. I don't know how the mathematics will go there if we get 2 winners, but it will not be like I said, by the top list that we have. Also, I think I will make later on, when I start to get hundreds of trades on every strategy, I will make a top list where I can show the strategies. I think that will be cool. So you can choose the strategy that is best for each and every way of trading. But there we reached our target. So as you can see, we came exactly on 50% on this one. Little disappointed. I thought this one would work better. But you know what, 50% is not bad when you're using martingale. You're actually happy when you get 50% because you never get anything crazy and you are reaching your target. Like you can see here now, we never got more. We got 2 losses in a row. That was the max we got with this till now. And we, in all, we did 10 trades, so $524. I'm happy with that. So like I said, you find link below the video if you want this binary option robot for yourself. It looks the same for cell phone. Both is 1 click install. So with that, have an amazing day.